Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4 Minute Friday Fun. What are we learning about today?
Epic books.
Epic books? Is that it?
Oh yeah, we're learning about other things too.
Like,
There's Tumble Books and read.gov. It's a bunch of reading websites
oh,
online.
reading
Yeah,
websites.
yeah.
Excellent. So as we go to spring break,
Yeah,
here's some great ways to get free books at home, really,
yeah,
right?
absolutely.
And if you're thinking about UDL framework, this is great for engagement and representation. So here we go.
Okay, so Epic, when you
You're
sign
an
up
elephant.
for a teacher, I know that's my favorite animal. So when you sign up for an account, this
Yep.
is where it brings you. You'll click your little guy to log in.
Mhm.
You won't have any students yet until you set them up.
Okay.
So once you log in, you just have to put your password in and go. And then this is your dashboard that comes up. And sorry, it took you to browse. This is your dashboard.
This is all free?
This is for free, yes. Okay, so right here, this is important. Whoa, your mouse scrolls opposite of mine. Your class code is right here, and this is what your kids need to sign up.
Okay.
So we are going to have Nick sign up as a student. I'll erase those extra images. So if you go to Get Epic, this is where you would sign up or sign into your account. But if you're a student, it says, are you a student right here? And then you say sign in with classroom code. You put in the classroom code, sign in. And then this is where if you have set up kiddos, this is where, so Nick is
right there.
Here. You're a princess. You can go here. And this is where it lets your kids walk through what books they like, what age they are, all of that stuff. So they pick their favorite subjects and I'll take them to books. So
no way.
They can browse through the recommendations. They have Big Nate, which is pretty popular. They have Boxcar Children, a bunch of famous, like really popular books. They also have books from National Geographic. They have quizzes, all kinds of stuff on here. Volcanoes. Yes, some of the books will read to you out loud. So you have to check. Like this is a read aloud book. So you can click play. And then another really cool thing as a teacher is you can push out books to your students. Yeah, they get badges and things along the way. So my kids really like those. You can push out things that you want your students to see. So I push this out to all of my students. We're doing a weather unit. They can go here and I sent them all of these books and videos that they can use to learn about the weather.
That's amazing.
Right there. Pretty cool, huh?
Excellent.
Yeah, so that's Epic.
All right, so just another quick one that's free resource is Library of Congress, read.gov/kids. They have all sorts of free online books, and you can get to some very, very classical books like the original Christmas Carol, and they'll have the original book in there that you can kind of show your kids and walk them through. So the graphics are good. There's not a classroom that you can set up, but it is a free resource that you can drop in links in your LMS and it's learning to get there.
Yeah. Okay. And then another one is Tumble Books. So a lot of people probably use Tumble Books, but through the library, you can use it for free. So the username is Bartholomew. The password is reads, READS. Click sign in. And you have all kinds of books on here that you can read. You can search through storybooks, read-alongs, all of those. And these books are awesome because they're kind of animated and it reads to the kids and they're really interactive.
That's awesome. And the last one is Read Conmigo. So this is an English and Spanish resource that's free. You do have to sign up on this one.
Cool.
So I signed up as a teacher, but you have all of these books that are in English and Spanish. So if you have any need for this, they are available in Kindle and everything else, but you'll notice here that again, kind of English and Spanish on every page. So another great resource for some of our ELL learners.
Awesome.
All right.
You have anything else?
Nope.
Okay. Have a happy Friday.